Tried to rob me back in the game. You know the nigga I said, G was supposed to be dead, but I let him slide because he ain't worth. That nigga died in his sleep, Quavo. That boy died in his sleep the other day, man. That boy out of here, man. That boy out of here, man. That boy died in his sleep. God good, boy. Man, dog, God good. Fresh out of jail, fresh off 10 years, and you die in your sleep. Lord Jesus, you a good man.
God ain't gonna let him slide, huh?
God ain't let you slide. And this nigga was my homie. God ain't let you slide. This nigga done died in his sleep. Nigga ain't even gotta touch you.